going to be doing I started so much. Hey, it's Chelsea here, and we're going to be doing a video on what film students in Toronto wear. And we're at Ryerson, the Image Arts building. We're in a really weird gallery. And yeah, I've got my lovely friends here. Lauren holding the camera, Leah being cute, Kelsey being a skater boy, and that's it.
I'm Katie.
And who is your fashion inspiration?
My fashion inspiration today was Wednesday Addams, clearly from the Addams
Oh, hell yeah. Okay, where's each piece from?
These are from Aldo boots, and this dress is from Zara. Yeah, oh, I have these hoops. I got them from H&M.
What is your name? Leah. And who is your fashion inspiration?
I usually just look on Tumblr.
Yeah, same.
Or Instagram baddies. Like Doc Martens from Brandy Melville. Going for a little schoolgirl.
Yeah.
Shady Mackenzie.
So who is your fashion inspiration?
I don't know, Pinterest. Shoes. Obviously old busted Vans. Our 2-year-old Levi jeans. This is from Black Market. Boys Grey, got a $10 sweater.
Nice. So
Yeah, I got 3 earrings on this side, I think.
yeah.
3, and then I got 3 on this side. I got the ice. I got the ice on my wrist. My bad.
So introduce yourself.
Okay, so hi, I'm Brianna Warner. This is from Old Navy. So is this. These are Adidas, super cute. Pay less. My inspiration, I just like bright colors and just sunshine. So yeah. Oh, I made them.
No way.
Yeah, that's clay.
That's so cool.
Thanks. That's clay and nail polish right there.
Yeah, and the choker.
The choker. Oh, it's a Rafiki from We Day. This, it's Calvin Klein. I think my mom wanted it at a sale. I don't know.
So cute.
So I'm Jennifer, and I got this from Orange.
Okay.
And this pants from
Aritzia?
Yeah, and the shoes are from Dr. Martens.
Yeah.
So I don't have any like inspiration, but it's just because it's winter, so
You just need to be warm.
Yeah.
I get it.
And
Okay.
I got like all black outfit and here.
A classic.
Yeah.
Wait. What? Say it in sign language if you can't say it.
How do you do sign language for a name? Let's make a K. How do you make
That was definitely not a K.
How do you make a K? K? That's not a K either. How do you do a K?
Oh my god. E L S. No, other. Yeah.
Yeah, it's E. Y. Because I'm Kelsey, guys.
Okay, who is your fashion inspiration?
Just every skater boy that ever exists.
Okay. Thrasher, obviously coming from Zoomies. I mean, like, where else do you get a Thrasher shirt from? And my white long sleeve, I actually got this at a store sort of like H&M, but in Europe, in Portugal.
My jeans I actually just got from Garage. That's it. Shoes, Fila's, from Nike, and then I also have my AirPods in pretty much 24/7. When do I not have these in?
That's true. Rings?
My 3 Pandora rings. I wear these on a daily pretty much. Each represents something special to me.
I am Satya Mathur.
Who is your fashion inspiration?
Oh shit. I don't know. My fashion inspiration is whatever clothes in my cupboard look like they could go together. You know.
It's kind of like grunge.
Yeah.
Like
if it works.
monochrome.
We are.
Yes.
We're just like we're thriving. You know. Oh shit. Okay. Jacket was a gift. These were thrifted, I think. My shoes are also a gift, but they're like 3 years old. Socks, I don't know. This I bought at like a cheap store in Dubai. The beanie, that was a gift from my grandmother. She got great taste.
Did you get your film?
It was in my bag the entire time.
Oh my god, you're killing me here.
I can't.
My name is Cam.
And who's your fashion inspiration?
Me. I don't know. I don't really have a fashion inspiration.
Okay, fair.
My friends tell me what to wear, so I do that.
All right. So, where's each piece of clothing from?
I think I got this for Christmas a while ago. I got this from the thrift store in Ottawa.
Okay, nice.
And then I think I also got these from the thrift store.
And then shoes.
The shoes, I don't remember, but they've lasted me 2 winters. I'm glad
Yeah,
I
what
didn't wear
the
my
heck?
Skechers today.
You should have told everyone. They light up?
No, they don't light up. Do you have the wheelies? I don't have wheelies. I need Heelys.
Then what's the point? Introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Daniel, and I'm a student here at Ryerson.
Who is your fashion inspiration? Or where do you get like ideas for outfits?
Valley Village. And,
Same.
And like, honestly, stuff that is moderately well put together and that I can get off of a shelf at a secondhand store. $6 from New Horizons in Hamilton.
Nice.
This I'm wearing because it is cold outside, and it is from Valley Village, Valley Village, Valley Village, and the shoes are just Vans.
Just Vans.
Just Vans.
And the hat. I like
The hat,
a
my
lot.
parents got it in Louisiana for me. Oh, and also there's the bracelet.
Oh, yeah, you gotta add that in.
Yeah, Bree and
It's a
Abby and myself, we were in Chinatown.
Yeah.
And we got these bracelets.
My name's Brianna, first year film student.
And who is your fashion inspiration?
I'm like the more fun aesthetic of the office. Okay, so this coat is from H&M. I got it on sale when I worked there because discounts, yay.
Yay.
This shirt is from a thrift store, I think. Yeah, in like near Spadina and Bloor. These jeans are also from H&M, copying the discounts. The shoes are Chelsea boots from, I think I got them at Saks. Yeah, and then the case is Wildflower. Got her.
Those
from
are so expensive.
Sale. This is, I totally forgot I was wearing this. This is a necklace I keep on forever, actually. It's from Forever 21, which doesn't make it seem like it has meaning, but I just think it's really cute.
Yeah.
When we started art history, because film students, I was like, this is like a little baby cherub
Oh, a
thing.
little cherub.
Yeah, she's cute. She's kind of changing color, but I kind of like it.
Yeah, like, I think it adds to it.
Edgy.
Pose it up, sis. Introduce yourself.
I'm Lauren. I'm a first year film student. Might be Chelsea's favorite, who knows?
Who is?
Ooh!
I mean, I can't say, but like maybe.
Maybe. 90s grunge in general, Drew Barrymore, Vivienne Westbrook, she's an amazing artist.
Hell yeah.
Winona Ryder during the 90s.
I was gonna say, I get that
like
vibe.
90s, my mom is a big inspo. A lot of the stuff I'm wearing actually today is actually hers from the
Really?
90s. Yeah, so these jeans are hers from the 90s, and I cut them because I am too short. So I cut them and they're
It looks cool with the cropped.
The docks they're mine, but I do have another pair of docks that are my mom's. When
Yeah.
she was in high school university.
They last forever, so.
Yeah. Bodysuit's just from Forever 21. My sweater is just, it was just a black
Fluffy sweater.
And then
Yeah.
this I bought from this tarot card reader store here in Toronto.
Really?
Yeah, so they have a bunch of stuff and I get my candles from there.
Yeah.
And then I have Betsy Johnson earrings on, and these are my mom's gold earrings from university. And,
And the sunglasses.
oh, and the sunglasses are also my mom's from the 90s. So
She had some killer style.
I know,
What?
90s is a big thing for me. I like to mix 90s though. I always say like I'm a chameleon. So I'm like,
Yeah, like you just like
I'm 90s
warp.
one day, and then like I'm like something completely different. Like I
Yeah,
switch it up
same.
a lot, but like black is my big thing. Usually I have big eyeliner on too, but not today. I didn't do that today.
What the hell? Fake weed? Oh yeah. That's real weed. Is it not? I think that's real weed.